Musumbi Dr. William Ruto Niwanyungunyika muno Yiulu wa Musukumo wa Kumwenda Kivilani ungwa Uneeni wa Ruto must go Mitaani na Ingi Nthini wa Mitandao Mikumukanilye Aineenana na Nairobi Securities Exchange Musumbi Asyata Atongoi Angi wa Ivinda Yake Ikavika na Akathi Ayumania Wito wa Kumwenda evetange Kivilani Ivinda itambite kubika Ben Muzao Azelela
itina wa Musukumo munene wa kiuteti ula withitwa Kumwenda Musumbi William Ruto kutia wia Ruto niwe yumilia na kusungia ivyo vya Uneeni uyu aimenda ala methitwa Kumwenda kutia wia manengane usungio aiweta ni maileta kukana mawatho makutethia mwene nthi indi ti Uneeni muthei.
I listened to another group of friends and Kenyans, brothers and sisters, who say Ruto must go. And for sure, just like those who were there before me, my time will come and I will go. But respectfully, sirs, madams, let me ask you, what are your reasons for this Ruto must go? I'm sure it's not because of the spelling of his name. Maybe because you don't agree with the ideas, the policies, and the plan he has for our nation, which is okay. But please, would you kindly favor us with your counter plan?
Musumbi Ruto aisongia Uneeni wa mwikala methitwa maitwa Easya miatiani okumana na kwambata kwa ngalama ya mikalile muo wa mawia ulusani kati wa waliokuangi ni waweta kiki isotethia vatena muvango mwailu.
One term, Kasongo, Ruto must go is not enough. And we are going to have a candid conversation. Nobody is going to corner us. I listened to one gentleman who retired the other day after working, I think, for 40, 50 years. And he wants to be president. And I listened to him say, Kenya is a failed state. And I asked myself, so for 40 years, you have been working in a failed state? So you want to be president of a failed state? Really? You want us to entrust you to the leadership of a country you don't believe in?
Ongi Ruto ni waweta ulei wago waileta kwitha na sera kwa ivuthisya wendekethio wa Kumuvetanga ofisini vate muvango ayelekania kithito ki na ulusani.
We cannot replace a plan you don't like with nothing. And I hear my brothers and sisters say, let Ruto go, then we will figure out. And we will tell you what is the alternative plan later. We cannot tell you now. To me, that sounds like the wash conmanship. If you seriously have a plan that does better on the economy than I have, that does better on health than I have, that does better on creating jobs than I have, that does better on education than I have, you should be bold enough to tell us.
Vilingi wa Atongoi TV Niendete wa Ben Mwasya.
Now is the listing of the